Welcome to our tutorial on how to view an old post you've liked on Instagram. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Simply find the Instagram app icon, tap on it, and launch the app. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can access various account settings. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with different options for managing your Instagram account. Select Your Activity from the menu options. This section allows you to view and manage your activity on Instagram, including posts you've liked. In the Your Activity section, tap on Likes. This will display a list of posts that you have liked on Instagram. To view all the posts you've liked, tap on All Dates. This will show you all the posts you've liked without any date restrictions. If you want to specify a date range, tap on Date Range and enter the start date and end date for the period you want to view liked posts from. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and revisit old posts you've liked on Instagram, giving you the chance to reminisce about past interactions on the platform. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide helps you navigate the process of viewing old posts you've liked on Instagram smoothly and efficiently.